Good afternoon from the Hotel Rio Serrano in Torres del Paine National Park. These are the last couple of days for us here in Patagonia, which is sad to say because it has been such an incredible experience, but there's still a lot to look forward to over on Tom's channel and on Brendan's because I've been helping them document this experience for the last couple of weeks, and they've still got a lot of content to share over on those channels, so go and check it out. As for me here, it's been an incredible period of growth again for Snell Media and this channel. We've seen over 1,500 subscribers, which is totally the Thomas Heaton effect, and big thanks to Brendan Van Son for sure for sort of integrating me into their videos and sharing the whole kind of behind the scenes photography workshop with you here on this channel, their channel, the other channel. Getting distracted as per usual, trying to share with you a little bit of what's next. It's time for a change, and it's time to integrate my plans for what's to come here on this channel and over the summer in the Northern Hemisphere, and hopefully kind of hold on to those new subscribers, because I know a lot of people have a huge interest in Patagonia, and I saw this happen last year where we gained a ton of new people to the community, and it helps grow the views overall, and then like 2 weeks after Patagonia it dips back down. So I'm sort of expecting that, but in the way of being transparent with you here on the channel, I'm excited to welcome the new subscribers on board and see if you'll be keen to stick with us once I get back to Europe. And this video is about moving on. It's about what's coming up next, and I want to share all of that with you over the next day here in Torres del Paine. But to begin with that, we need to start first with a change. That is much, much better. And stay tuned throughout this video because this is gonna get much, much worse. And now it is time to go and explore Torres del Paine National Park.
What are you doing? Dude, what's wrong with your face?
What do you think? Pretty stylish, huh? Do you think I look French Canadian?
Yeah, like a French Canadian porn star from the 80s.
Let's go.
Morning. We're in Mexico. We're gonna go see the giant pyramids.
Super still over there.
The lake's way lower than it is usually. I would aim for reflection shots.
How's it going? There you go.
What's up, man?
You guys are so loud. Good. How are you, man?
I thought I heard a high-pitched voice.
Good morning from Lago Nordenskjöld in Torres del Paine National Park. We made it, and we've been reunited with some of the participants from the last year's workshop, which was really, really cool. They're really happy to see Tom and Brendan again, and to meet some of our participants with us right now, because two of them were also on last year's trip. So very nice to reunite with them, say hello, and get set up along the lake here for some of our last days of photography. And it couldn't be better conditions. There's no wind. It's beautiful here right now. Did you miss Brendan?
No, I miss you more. I don't know who's Brandon.
That's it for a sunrise session here at the Lakeside in Torres del Paine. Really cool to meet up with some of the participants from last year and to introduce them to the new group. And then of course we had two people from last year that are still on this one. So very, very interesting to have everybody come back together, which was cool. And it was a good opportunity to get some cool photos. The light never really popped, but I was able to get 2 or 3 images that I've probably already shared with you here in this video. So I hope you like those. Gave me the idea to share a little bit more of the photos that I've taken on this trip with you in this video. So at the end, I'm gonna put together a selection of some of my favorites and just play those as sort of a slideshow for you to see more of my photo style. and some of the best shots from this trip. Ooh, losing it hiking back to the hotel. So yeah, keep my train of thought. We are moving on. And this video is all about what's next, and I want to share more of what you can look forward to over the next couple of months here on the channel. So let's jump back to the hotel, and it is definitely time for another change. We're back at the hotel, and I am channeling my inner American truck driver and/or the main character of Machete with this awesome handlebar mustache. Don't worry, it's not gonna last for very long. Part of this moving on video is to get rid of the facial hair that I've been growing over the last month here in Patagonia, because I am going back to Europe to reunite with my beautiful girlfriend Nellie, and she hates it when the beard gets any longer than like 2 weeks. So part of what's next is definitely going back to my normal amount of facial hair, because if I get back to Europe and she sees this, I'm not getting any love whatsoever. And if you don't know who Nellie is, if you're one of the new subscribers, go and check out her channel. I link it right here. She makes amazing videos on YouTube, and she's just getting started, so go and show her some love and subscribe over there. Now, for those of you who are subscribed, I know you know Nellie, and I hope you're excited to have her back on the channel as well, because when we get back to Europe, we've got a whole bunch of jobs lined up that I'm going to share with you in the second part of this video, the second half. But right now we're going to get back out into the field. We're going to go and explore Mirador, Condor. Hopefully the weather will be good and the light will be good. It's got a bit overcast right now, but we're still going to go out there because it's always worth the experience to try and shoot sunset and tell you a bit more about the upcoming jobs, because I will be joining Thomas Heaton and Brendan Van Son later on this year, and I want to share with you where and when.
High five! Everything's gonna be quite
So we've gone from Machete to Super Mario, channeling my inner Burt Reynolds and/or Tom Selleck and/or 70s police officer / porn star. Super fun with the mustache and the little soul patch. Hope you guys enjoyed that Alanis Morissette there, Tom's favorite album of all time, Jagged Little Pill. And here I am hiking up to the top of Mirador, Condor. So I hope, well, I know we'll have a great view, and I hope I can get some cool long exposures with a bit of cloud movement, but I don't think the light is gonna pop. So we'll see, but when we get up there, it'll be a good opportunity to finally share with you a little bit more information about some of the upcoming trips later this year. We are up at the top of Mirador, Condor, and unfortunately it is very overcast. Lots of gray cloud all around us, so don't think we're gonna get much of a sunset, but that's okay because this video is about the future and not the present. So what's coming up next? Luckily for me, I have been asked to help Thomas Heaton document one of his upcoming workshops, and it is happening in Iceland in June. I will be there in Iceland for the Midnight Sun camping trip, which is going to be awesome. Very much looking forward to going back to Iceland. It'll be my third time visiting the land of fire and ice, and I'm really looking forward to documenting that and helping him and Thor and the participants get the most out of that experience. So that's gonna be really cool. If you're on that trip, comment below, because I am looking forward to meeting you and sharing more of Iceland here on the channel. If you haven't seen the videos that I filmed in January of this year in Iceland, go and check those out. That winter trip with BVS was really something else. So yeah, I'll link those up here, and let's see if I can get an image from here, and then we'll jump back into the vlog to tell you about the more next future trips. Can you believe it's not monochrome? This is just totally gone gray on us. You know, it started overcast with maybe like a little hint of color, but now it's just, yeah, pastel of gray to black. So I'm shooting monochrome with the 70-200 just zoomed in onto the Cuernos, and I think I got one okay image, but really it's you know, it's a bit of a bust sunset, but that's all right. That's the way it is. Sometimes you got to go out to experience it in first person. I've been talking a lot in this video, so I think I'm gonna start kind of wrapping it up, and the next future trips that I wanted to tell you about is Mongolia, Nepal, and 2 trips in Bali, all coming up later this year, all with still a couple of spaces available. So if you're interested, go and check out brendansadventures.com. I'll be co-leading the trips with Brendan Van Son as sort of his documentary assistant slash co-tour leader. So very much looking forward to that. I'm working with Brendan many times this year as well as last year and going into next year. So if you're looking to join us in either Mongolia, Nepal, or Bali, go and check out brendansadventures.com and send us a message. Let us know if you can come. It's going to be really, really cool. And Nellie and I have yet to go to Asia, so I'm also going to be exploring Thailand, Cambodia, Laos, Vietnam, and hopefully a bit of Indonesia as well. So lots to look forward to on the channel, and thank you so much for watching these videos. It's been a blast in Patagonia, and I think I'm going to have to go and find Tom and Brendan to say one final goodbye.
Oh my god, I'm sorry about this.
Dude, it's a shower, it doesn't matter.
The shower's got so much poo in it now.
We're back at the hotel. I think you recognize these two guys. We've jumped into the bathroom because it's the only suitable light source. And this is it. This is the end of the Patagonia series from my channel for 2019. A little bit sad, but at the same time it has been a ton of fun. I hope you've enjoyed these videos and the antics from these two here. And lots more work to come with them, which is going to be amazing. And yeah, many more video projects back in Europe as well. So do you want to say goodbye?
Oh, we were just getting ready for bed. Yeah.
Yeah.
I was just about to shower myself.
So, as always,
we're filming.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
This is awkward.
Bye everyone.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.
Bye for now.